Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation with its 6-in-1 functionality. It serves as an air fryer, broiler, dehydrator, roaster, reheater, and baker, making it a multi-purpose tool for various cooking needs. Its compact yet spacious 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping. This air fryer excels in producing quick, healthy, and crispy meals with 95% less oil, thanks to its advanced Even Crisp technology, which ensures perfect results with every use. Whether preparing crispy fries, roasting chicken, or baking desserts, the Vortex Plus delivers consistent, high-quality results. Convenience is a key feature, with 100+ in-app recipes available via the Instant Pot app, offering inspiration and step-by-step guidance. The intuitive touchscreen and customizable programs make it user-friendly, allowing easy control over cooking time and temperature. Cleaning up is hassle-free with its dishwasher-safe basket and tray, ensuring minimal effort post-cooking. The sleek black design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. From reheating leftovers to creating gourmet dishes, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is designed for efficiency and versatility. Its energy-efficient operation and compact design make it suitable for both novice cooks and experienced chefs looking for a reliable cooking companion. In summary, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a powerful, easy-to-use appliance offering 6-in-1 functionality, a spacious capacity, and time-saving features like dishwasher-safe components and app-guided recipes. It's a great choice for anyone seeking to prepare healthier meals quickly and effortlessly. Number 2. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions into a compact design. With its 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for preparing meals for families or small gatherings while maintaining a space-saving footprint. The air fryer offers 9 cooking modes, including roast, bake, dry, reheat, frozen, broil, and proof, making it a comprehensive solution for a wide variety of cooking needs. Its turbo modes and precise temperature control range of 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure even and consistent results, whether you're crisping up snacks or slow-cooking recipes. Designed for healthier cooking, the air fryer uses up to 95% less oil while delivering the same crispy texture and rich flavors as traditional frying. Its advanced technology ensures even heat distribution, reducing cooking time and improving efficiency. User-friendly features include an intuitive control panel with preset options and adjustable settings, making it easy to customize recipes to your preference. The air fryer's sleek gray design adds a modern aesthetic to any kitchen, and its non-stick basket is dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Compact yet powerful, the Cosori Air Fryer is a reliable tool for quick and healthy meal preparation. It's particularly suited for busy households or those looking to reduce oil consumption without compromising on taste or quality. In summary, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 offers versatility, efficiency, and convenience in one appliance. Its multiple cooking modes, large capacity, precise controls, and health-conscious design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep and enjoy a wide range of delicious dishes with less oil and effort. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a high-performance countertop appliance that combines versatility, precision, and style. Its sleek brushed stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen while delivering a wide array of cooking functions, making it a standout option for both novice and experienced cooks. Equipped with Element IQ system, this oven ensures precise heat distribution, delivering even cooking results. The air fryer function crisps food using minimal oil, promoting healthier cooking without compromising flavor or texture. In addition to air frying, it offers multiple cooking modes, including baking, roasting, broiling, reheating, and slow cooking, making it an all-in-one solution for various culinary needs. The oven's spacious interior can accommodate a variety of meals, from a 13-inch pizza to 6 slices of toast or even a roast. Its user-friendly LCD display simplifies operation by providing clear controls and access to preset functions, ensuring ease of use for all skill levels. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is engineered for convenience, with features like a non-stick interior for easy cleaning and an efficient preheat system that saves time. Its performance-focused design ensures consistent results, whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal. In summary, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a premium kitchen appliance offering precision, versatility, and convenience. Its advanced heating technology, multiple cooking functions, and sleek design make it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish countertop oven that excels in both performance and ease of use. Number 4. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation while promoting healthier cooking. With its 4-quart capacity, it is ideal for small families or individuals, offering a convenient solution for quick and easy meals. This 4-in-1 air fryer combines air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating into a single appliance, allowing users to create a variety of dishes. From crispy fries and roasted vegetables to juicy meats and dehydrated snacks, it caters to diverse cooking needs. The air fryer uses up to 75% less oil compared to traditional frying methods, delivering healthier meals without compromising on flavor or texture. The Ninja Air Fryer offers precise temperature control, ranging from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even cooking and customizable results for different recipes. Its ceramic-coated non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Compact and sleek in gray, the AF101 is a practical addition to any kitchen, especially for those with limited counter space. It also features easy-to-use controls, making it accessible for cooks of all skill levels. Whether reheating leftovers, preparing frozen foods, or crafting gourmet meals, the Ninja Air Fryer streamlines the process for efficient and enjoyable cooking. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a versatile and health-conscious appliance offering multiple cooking functions in a compact design. Its ability to reduce oil use, wide temperature range, and easy maintenance make it a great choice for anyone seeking a convenient and reliable way to prepare delicious meals at home. Number 5. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile and innovative kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking for families. Its standout feature is the 7-quart MegaZone FlexBasket, which can be used as a single large cooking area for proteins or split with a basket divider to cook 2 foods simultaneously, offering flexibility for diverse meal preparation. This 6-in-1 air fryer supports various cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, broiling, and dehydrating. It allows for healthier meals with up to 75% less oil, making it a great choice for health-conscious cooks. The Smart Finish feature lets you cook 2 different foods at varying temperatures and times, ensuring both are ready at the same time, which is perfect for preparing complete meals. With its family-sized capacity, the DZ071 can handle large portions, such as an entire chicken or multiple servings of sides, making it ideal for gatherings or meal prepping. The appliance's user-friendly control panel and preset cooking programs simplify operation, allowing even beginners to achieve consistent, delicious results. The sleek black design complements modern kitchens, while its non-stick components and dishwasher-safe basket make cleanup quick and hassle-free. The air fryer's powerful performance ensures even heat distribution for crispy, golden results across all types of foods. In summary, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer combines versatility, innovation, and convenience in a family-friendly package. Its unique MegaZone FlexBasket, Smart Finish feature, and multiple cooking modes make it a valuable tool for preparing a wide range of meals with minimal effort and healthier results.